Thank you so much, members of the press. As my colleague has already indicated, it's a sad day for Kisii County and the activities that have happened, and it surprises all of us because yesterday, as the boss has already indicated, the governor indicated that he had made the clash, and that in the discussions with the clash, they had agreed that the governor was going to engage the members of the county assembly to actually drop their bid for the motion that was before the assembly in terms of impeaching the deputy governor. But for me, it doesn't surprise me because I know the governor that I'm handling. And you, the members of the media, in due course you will understand the character of the governor that we are handling. So I'm not surprised that my colleagues have mobilized 53 number to actually vote, to come in and vote in favor of impeachment of the deputy governor. But that notwithstanding, we have experienced that there were quite a number of errors, and omissions and commissions that were committed in the process of transacting this very particular motion. We have addressed ourselves on the floor of the House. You already have the clips, what we have addressed ourselves. But it appears that this motion was already predetermined. The direction which it was going to take, it was already known. And that is why you actually realize that even the deputy governor, it is only today he had an opportunity to appear before the county assembly, and by the time the discussion of this motion started in the morning, even his part of defense was not part of what we transacted as members of the county assembly. That tells you how predetermined the end result was for this very particular motion. But I want to urge the Senate of the Republic of Kenya to do justice for Kisii people, to do justice for the deputy governor, so that at least for a while there will be sanity in Kisii and other counties who will want to follow the direction in which we have seen things move at the Kisii County Assembly. But most importantly, and I still want to insist, what the clergy told Honorable Simba Arati yesterday, it is time that Honorable Simba needs to heal this county. He is the CEO for the county. He has the key for sanity and reconciliation in this county. But if this is the direction we are going not to deliver for the people who have elected us. And of course, you will be able to see that as we transact matters on the Senate.